Here are the top 5 best hydroponics growing systems, indoor herb garden kits that make growing fresh herbs, veggies, and more super easy and fun right in your kitchen. These are some of the most popular, highly rated options available, perfect for beginners or anyone wanting year-round fresh produce without soil or hassle. First up, the Uric Hydroponics growing system with 8 pods. This compact black beauty is a fantastic entry-level choice. It uses a powerful 24-watt LED grow light that mimics sunlight to speed up photosynthesis, so your plants grow up to 5 times faster than in soil. The light adjusts up to 21 inches high and tilts 180 degrees for perfect coverage as plants get taller. The super quiet pump, under 20 decibels, circulates water every 30 minutes for healthy roots and oxygen. Plus, there's a clear water shortage alert, so you never forget to top up the 3-liter tank. Setup is dead simple. Just add water, nutrients, and seeds, and the smart timer handles 16 hours of light and 8 hours of rest automatically. It's small enough for any countertop or windowsill, and the detachable light pole makes cleaning easy. Great for beginners, small kitchens, or as a thoughtful gift for women or anyone new to gardening. If you're short on space but want reliable, fast results, this one's worth every penny. Check the links below to grab yours today. Next, the Ahopegarden hydroponics growing system with 12 pods. This one's got a sleek, modern midnight black design with an LCD touch panel for effortless control. Built from durable ABS, it offers 12 planting spots for a bigger harvest of herbs, lettuce, or even small veggies like tomatoes and basil. The full-spectrum LED adapts to your plants with dual modes and up to 17 inches of adjustable height to avoid light burn on taller stems. The 5-liter tank and ultra-quiet pump cycle every 30 minutes for excellent root growth and water freshness, saving energy while keeping things peaceful. One standout is the 22-hour lighting option that can boost flowering by up to 50% and make fruit sweeter, perfect for organic enthusiasts. It's portable, space-efficient, and turns any apartment or office into a mini greenhouse. If you're a tech-savvy gardener who wants more pods and smarter features for year-round fresh eats, this is for you. Super solid pick. Go ahead and add it to your cart. Number 3. The InBloom 12 Pods Hydroponics Growing System. This kit delivers fast growth with advanced LEDs providing 16 hours of simulated sunlight, helping plants sprout in days and thrive way quicker than traditional methods, up to 5 times faster. You get 12 stations for a variety of herbs, veggies, fruits, or flowers, and the 4.2-liter tank with a quiet pump circulating every 30 minutes means roots get plenty of oxygen and nutrients. It can go up to 15 days without a refill, ideal if you travel occasionally. The adjustable lamp post extends from 7 to 12 inches for optimal light at every stage, and the water level indicator keeps things foolproof. Compact at about 15 by 7.5 inches, it fits anywhere from kitchen to bedroom. Gardening becomes pure joy with this one, and it's an awesome gift for anyone who loves fresh basil or lettuce at home. If you want big capacity without complexity, this durable, top-rated option delivers big time. Coming in at number 4, the iDOO Hydroponics Growing System 12 Pods. A massive favorite with thousands of happy users, this one stands out for its built-in fan that mimics outdoor breeze and helps with pollination during flowering. The 22-watt full-spectrum LED has 2 modes, veggie mode with extra blue light for leafy growth, and fruit or flower mode with more red for blooms and sweetness. Plants grow about 20% faster than soil thanks to the aerating pump and timer. The 5-liter tank lasts 1 to 2 weeks with a viewing window to check levels easily, and the light height adjusts up to over 11 inches for 12 plants at once. Setup takes just 3 steps, and it includes everything to start. Perfect for home, school, or as Christmas or birthday gifts for moms, dads, or plant lovers. Honest, this one's a game changer for consistent results and versatility. If you're after proven performance and thoughtful extras like the fan, this is absolutely worth it. And finally, the LetPot LPH SE 12 Pods Smart Hydroponics Growing System. This premium pick takes things a notch with app and Wi-Fi control via the LetPot app. Adjust lighting schedules from 0 to 24 hours, get watering reminders, and even track growth days right on your phone. The patented design uses a true 24-watt full-spectrum LED for up to 40% faster growth than soil, with 2 professional modes, more blue for veggies, more red for blooms. The 5.5-liter tank supports up to 3 weeks without refills. The adjustable rod reaches 30 inches, and the stainless steel finish looks sleek while being easy to clean. It comes loaded with sponges, baskets, nutrients, everything for 12 pods, built for durability with lifetime support and updates. If you're ready for smart, hands-off indoor gardening that feels futuristic, this is the top choice for serious growers or anyone wanting the best tech available. Wrapping this up, if I had to pick one overall best hydroponics growing system for most people in 2026, I'd go with the iDOO 12 Pods. It strikes the perfect balance of features, reliability, huge user love, and value, delivering fast growth, smart modes, and that handy fan without overcomplicating things. All 5 here are carefully selected, top-rated winners that make fresh, homegrown foods simple and rewarding. Check the links in the description for current prices and details. They're all ready to ship. If you're deciding on one, think about your space, how many plants you want, and if smart controls excite you. Drop a comment below with which one you're leaning toward. I read them all. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more smart buying guides, and thanks for watching. You've got this. Happy growing.